Welcome, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of the Android universe to unleash its hidden potential. Get ready to supercharge your smartphone experience as we explore the must-know settings that will take your Android device to the next level. The first things first, let's imagine a scenario where you can't find your Android phone. Maybe you left it at a friend's house or misplaced it somewhere. Google's Find My Device can help you find it. First, make sure it's turned on in your phone settings. Go to Settings, then Security, and Find My Device. If the slider is on, you're good to go. When you need to find your phone, go to Google's Find My Device page on a computer where you're signed in with your Google account. You can also use the Find My Device app on another Android phone or search Google for Find My Device. With these options, you can make your phone play a sound to locate it at home, lock and sign out of your phone for security, or erase everything on it if needed. And the next thing is Google Play Protect. Let's say you enjoy downloading and trying out new apps on your Android phone from the Google Play Store. You want to make sure that these apps are safe and don't harm your device. Play Protect is like a security guard for your Android phone, built in to keep it safe from harmful stuff. It works automatically and checks all the apps on your phone, including new ones you get from the Play Store. While it's not perfect, it does a good job of protecting your device. To make sure Play Protect is doing its job, go to Settings, then Security, and find Google Play Protect. You can run a scan to check for any issues and see when the last scan was done. If you tap the gear icon in the top right corner, you can turn on an extra feature called Scan Apps with Play Protect to make sure it also looks for harmful apps that might not be from the Play Store. This way, your phone stays safer from any potential threats. Next one is use Safe Browsing in Chrome. The Chrome browser on your Android phone has a safety feature called Safe Browsing that helps block harmful websites. It's usually turned on, but it's good to check just in case. Open Chrome, tap the three dots at the top right, and go to Settings. Tap on Sync and Google Services, and make sure Safe Browsing is turned on. This helps keep you safe from dangerous websites. That way, you can browse the internet more securely. Take control of your apps. Review and manage their permissions. Imagine you have a weather app on your phone that you use to check the forecast. This app asks for permission to access your location, so it can provide you with accurate weather information for your area. However, over time, you notice that the app also has permission to access your contacts, which seems unnecessary for a weather app. Apps need permission to use certain information on your phone, like where you are or who you know. It's smart to check which apps have access to this info to make sure your personal details are safe. Go to Settings, then Privacy, and choose Permission Manager. Here you can see what apps can use different types of info. When you pick an app, press See All App Permissions to double-check everything it's allowed to access. This way, you're in control and can decide what each app can see on your phone. And there you have it, fellow guardians of the digital realm. We've just equipped our smartphones with an impenetrable shield against cyber threats. Remember, in the vast digital landscape, your phone is your fortress. By implementing these security measures, you're not just protecting your device, but safeguarding your personal world. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share this video with your fellow cyber warriors. Stay vigilant, stay secure, and until next time, happy browsing.